Hi friends, welcome to EROTECH Solutions. This application is for traffic light control by using LoRa based remote. So here you have different modules. So this is ESP32 and I am using 4x3 keypad and LoRa module with 434 MHz frequency, and this is 8 channel relay card, so with optocouplers. So one is transmission unit and other one is receiving unit. So this transmission unit have my input keypad and LoRa module and ESP32. The other side, the same way, I am going to connect again one more ESP32 with LoRa receiver module and 8 channel relay card. So this module voltage, so I just connect this module's operating voltage is 5 volts. So I just give an USB connector. Through USB I am getting 5 volts input operating voltage, and for this 12 volts relay modules, so I am going to use 12 volts DC adapter with 12 volts and 1 amp. And this is antennas which are for, one is transmission side and other one is receiving side. So coming to hardware connections, so for this 4x3 keypad I am going to use 7 digital IOs from the node MCU, which is ESP32, and this LoRa based, which is working on SPI based communication, and there are D out, D in, VCC, ground lines. So I connected with the ESP32, and this is antenna, and this ELF2 LoRa and SMF converter, and again this side the LoRa module which is connected with node MCU again. And for 8 channels, so these are the hardware connections. So 1 to 8 digital IOs. So these digital IOs I am using from D0 to D7 from the ESP32. So coming to working this kit, so whenever I am giving input 1 from my keypad, you can watch it the relay operation. So the first relay module which comes to on, and whenever I am going to press the same button, it is going to turn off. So for on and off I am going to use same key, and whenever I am pressing second, which is 2 from the input keypad, the second relay will be operated there. Next third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the operation. For the same button I just complemented my logic. Whenever I am giving input 1, if it is previously on, it goes off. If it is off, it comes to on. So this logic is applied for all the 8 channels. So you can see off operation from here. So this is simply works on 100 meters or up to 200 meters distance. This is wireless RF based remote by using LoRa communication. Yeah, so if you need projects, yes, you can contact us. Thanks for watching.